Good evening everyone. Today we're doing a modern wolf cut. Split your profile guide into a centre part and section from the top of the head down to the top of the ear on both sides of the head and clip the hair away. Bring both sides to the front, keeping the hair straight and at natural fall. With the hand that you hold your scissors in, twist the hair inwards towards the nose. Then, with your other hand, go on top and hold the hair steady. Then you're going to turn your hand back towards the front, causing the hair to twist and create over direction. Cut a straight line at the desired length. Then you're going to check the balance of the cut. Continue the middle part all the way down the back of the head. Section the front away from the back. Now you're going to comb the hair to natural fall, stand directly in front of the face and comb the hair forward to a 45-degree angle and cut the hair following the previous guide. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Check the balance of the haircut again and adjust as necessary. Moving on to the back section of the hair, take a horizontal straight subsection. We're now going to connect the back to the front. At natural fall again, comb the hair down and then forward to a 45-degree angle and follow the guide, blending the shorter hair into the length. We've now switched between scissors and we're now using a razor. Complete the same steps until you reach the top of the head and then repeat on the opposite side. Again, you're then going to check the balance of the haircut before doing anything else. Okay, so now we're going to do the internal layers. Take a large horizontal layer across both the back sections. Then you're going to take little subsections and elevate the hair and gently remove some bulk from the ends of the hair using a razor. From the top of the head, take orange segment sections. Elevate the hair and then lower again slightly, and then use your razor and cut from short to long, blending out that length. Move around the head in the same orange segment sections and use your first segment as the guide to length. Once again, check the balance of the haircut and then blow dry into your desired shape. I use the medium round brush and finger drying to create my finish. Now it's completely your choice. You can stop here and leave a longer fringe, or you can create more shape around the front. I love both personally, but on this instance I'm actually going to cut her fringe a little bit shorter. So to cut the fringe shorter, take an upside down V shape, section into the middle of the brow on both sides. Pull the hair together with your scissor hand, hold in the hair in your fingers, twist towards the face and then put your other hand over, grasping the hair, and then you're going to fully twist it back around to the front again, comb it out, and then you're going to cut it in a nice straight line. So you'll notice that we use this twist cutting technique for the forward graduation and for the fringe. It's exactly the same. Use your razor to blend in any corners. So now it's time to finish the look. So I like to toss all the hair up, turn her head upside down, just create a little bit more body, and then you're going to style it however you like, and you're done. Let me know what you think about this cut. Do you like it? Leave your comments below. And as always, I thank you for watching and supporting me. Have a great day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.